Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I thought I'd do a video on the Sobeks being slightly more difficult to cock than some of the other crossbows. People have had issues and mentioned it to me that it feels a lot more difficult to cock, and for no reason, because it's still an £80 pistol crossbow. So I'm going to come up with my theories and solutions to why I think this is. So this is the Sobek, if you don't know it. A new magazine crossbow, really inexpensive and worth buying. You can get speed loaders for it as well. Right, I just need to take that off to show you where I think the issue is. So where this arm connects into the body, there's a groove. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see that. And I noticed before I put my prod on, my limbs, that even just opening the arm and pulling it down was quite difficult. Very, very tight. So what I did, I put some grease on the little wheel there that runs inside that groove. See this groove here, where the little wheel runs? Grease that. Don't overdo it, and be careful with what you're putting on this plastic, because some, I'm not 100% sure, but just be careful that some greases and stuff don't really like certain materials, if that makes sense. But I'm assuming this plastic will probably be fine. Anyway, put some grease or oil in that groove, and that should help these arms move a little bit less stiffly. Now, I wonder, I haven't done it, there's a screw here. I wonder if that was ever so slightly loosened, if that would make a difference. And one last thing you can do is extend your stock. There's two good reasons for that. If you extend the stock, you've got more leverage, and also it actually puts the crossbow in the proper position to sight it. Because when that's that close, you're so close to the sights that I can't personally line them up properly. It needs to be further away. So the further you can get that crossbow away from you, the better you can line up those sights, in my opinion anyway. To extend the stock, there are bolts. Just here. Undo those. You need to take them right out. And then you can see these grooves here. These are the adjustments. Pretty sure this is either fully adjusted or could go one more. But that will give you an extra 2.5 to 3 inches worth of leverage, which should help. So yeah, those are my potential solutions for helping this be less difficult to cock, essentially. The one thing I did notice 100% though was that even without the string on, when you pull the arm down, it was quite difficult. It was, I say difficult, you could feel it wasn't just loose like the other ones. It did have some reasonable friction. So yeah, grease this rail up here and the little wheels, and hopefully that should make a difference to your Sobek's, difficulty of being cocked, I suppose. So yeah, there you go. That's my ideas and methods for how you could potentially make this slightly easier to cock. I don't think everyone has the issues of it being like very tight like that, but some people definitely are. If you're watching this and you had the same issue and you've discovered how to stop it, please let us know in the comments, alright? Cheers for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely leave a comment, as mentioned. Check out the links for the speed loaders and possibly other accessories if there are any. And yeah, I'll see you later. Oh, don't forget you can become a member of the channel if you want help support these kind of things, alright? Cheers for watching. See you later.